Hi, my name is Sai. I live in Hyderabad. When I was born, I had an additional growth in my spinal cord. On the 13th day of my birth, the doctors operated. The operation did not go well, and I lost sensation on the lower half of my body. I also lost my ability to have control over bladder functions, and the medical report said that over a period of time, I would completely lose my ability to walk. The first challenge that we were going to face is how do we actually go about getting educated. My inability to walk and my loss of control over bladder functions meant that I was sort of a nuisance to the class, and year on year I had to keep changing schools because at one or the other point people would be skeptical of even allowing me to go ahead and attend classes because most people would think it's a contagious disease and we are probably hiding something. In India, disability is associated with this word karma. A lot of people tend to think that a person suffers with disability because he or she has done bad karma in the previous life. I wanted to reposition this view and show people that it is not bad karma, but it is the lack of infrastructure in our country which is actually causing the real disability. I started reading the very same book that speaks about karma, which was the Bhagavad Gita. The Gita says that life is composed of 5 elements, which is air, water, earth, fire and sky. And it also says that only a person with complete abilities can go ahead and experience all these 5 elements. So I thought, why don't I actually do an experiment out here and prove people that even a person with disability can experience all these 5 elements. So for sky, I went after skydiving. For earth, I lived in the Grand Canyon for a week. And for water, I took a plunge at the intersection of the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. So when I could go ahead and do those activities, I understood that when people are enabled through a system, then disability is not what they go through biologically, it is what they face because of the system that is designed for normal people.
We celebrate the triumph of human spirit by saluting Sai Prasad Vishwanathan as a Positive Health Hero 2016.
Love you, Zindagi.
King of the world!